小心。
我梗係小心啦。
點知呢？
我屙呢啲做慣㗎啦。
因喺我哋呢，你好後生。你30歲嘅時候，你有一間屋企、一架車、3個仔、2個工。我30歲有乜嘢？我好 smart though. I'm gonna be bumtow millionaire, Papa. You wait and see, okay?
知嘢，拍俾佢啦，洗乾淨呢啲肥，啲垃圾，嗰啲肥嘅唔愛。
Papa, what should I be for Halloween?
Nothing yourself.
That's right. Be yourself. Be yourself. No need to wear a costume. 切，嘥錢，yeah.
犯鬼法。
我睇見你哋可以抱嘥錢 make bad decisions. Not here. Stay home with your family. Cook with your papa. Right, Papa?
食啲好嘢。
食得好嘢，yeah. Play with your dog or cat. Take a walk. 飲湯。You want to go out with the 怪佬
No.
Yeah, no. Go, 乖嚟㗎，好特別嘅香料。
冇咩香料啊，葱菜、
果
皮。
So what is it? You gotta explain it.
大頭菜啦，鹹鹹地。
What's it called in English? Salted radish?
洗乾淨佢有好多蔬。
What about the 果皮？
果皮俾啲落去。
Yeah, because they Thai, they want to learn. They don't know how to make this shit. This is the 果皮。
我俾得大塊嘅。
Wow, 好香。Imagine you're walking through the forest. It's a cloudy day. There's woods everywhere, leaves on the ground. They're starting to change colors. And then from out of nowhere, you just get hit with a bunch of lemons. And it's all over you. And then you start rolling around on the ground. That's how you would smell if you eat this. I don't even know what I just said. Papa, 你明唔明白我講？
我唔明白你講乜。
我試下。
冚唪唥整好晒啦。
We first got the 果皮片. Hey, you don't show them.
Oh, sorry. 加啲果皮。
Hey, you put your hand in there, 小心。
呢個好熱啊，辣死。
You don't put your finger in there, 大佬。
擠啲骨落去先薑啊。
芥泡菜 carrot soup
西洋菜。
Behind the back, Papa.
西洋菜啦，慢慢擠落去啦。
When the water boils, then you add it.
Make sure it's 滾啊，唔係佢啲西洋菜會 bitter。
Okay, boil.
Yeah. Now you take on the menu.
Mamma mia. Papa, say Mamma mia.
Hey, 我冇你個武器。
Cheh. Oh, can I look at the tongue?
Oh, sure.
Dark for 40 minutes. Smells really nice. Cover it back up.
係啊，係咁煲。
Okay, here's our 西洋菜湯. Mamma mia. 好健康有益. Let's try it out. I burn myself.
唔係幾樣。
Oh, Papa. Thank you. 再見. Say 再見.
再見。
Cheh.